Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the scariest things that can happen while driving your car: overheating. What does it mean? Why does it happen? And how can you fix it before it causes major engine damage? Stick around because I'll break everything down step by step. When your car overheats, it means the engine temperature is too high for safe operation. Normally, your cooling system keeps the engine at an ideal temperature using coolant fans and radiators. But when something fails, the heat builds up, and that's when trouble starts. Here are the most common symptoms your car is overheating. 1. Dashboard temp gauge spikes into the red. 2. Steam or smoke from the hood. 3. Sweet smell of coolant leaking. 4. Loss of engine power. 5. Warning lights like check engine or temperature symbols. If you see any of these signs, act fast. Let's break down the 6 most common causes of engine overheating. 1. Low coolant level. Most common reason: coolant might be low due to leaks or evaporation. 2. Coolant leaking hoses. Water pump issues, radiator cracks, or a bad head gasket. 3. Broken thermostat. A stuck thermostat keeps coolant from flowing through the engine. 4. Radiator problems: clogged radiator, damaged fins, or failing radiator cap. 5. Faulty water pump. If the pump fails, coolant won't circulate at all. 6. Cooling fan failure. Fan motors, relays, or sensors can fail, especially noticeable in traffic. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to diagnose and fix an overheating problem. 1. Check coolant level and top it off. Open the coolant reservoir, not the radiator cap. If it's empty, fill it to the recommended line. 2. Inspect for leaks. Look under the car and around hoses for green, pink, or orange fluid. 3. Test cooling fan. Turn on the engine and let it idle. The fan should turn on automatically once it gets hot. 4. Look at the radiator cap. A worn or damaged cap can't hold pressure, causing overheating. 5. Inspect the thermostat. If you notice irregular temperature changes, the thermostat might be stuck. 6. Check the water pump. Look for coolant drips near the pump or a squealing noise. If any of these parts fail, replacing them usually fixes the overheating problem. If your car starts overheating while driving, here's what you should do immediately. Step 1. Turn off the AC and turn on the heater. This helps pull heat away from the engine. Step 2. Pull over safely. Find a safe spot and turn off the engine. Step 3. Do not open the radiator cap while hot. You can get severely burned. Step 4. Wait 1530 minutes for the engine to cool. Step 5. Check coolant level. If low, add coolant or water just enough to reach a service station. If the overheating keeps happening, don't drive. Call for roadside assistance. You should take your car to a mechanic if the overheating happens more than once. You see coolant leaking constantly. The temperature rises immediately after starting the engine. You suspect a blown head gasket, white smoke, bubbling coolant, milky oil. A professional can do pressure tests, thermostat checks, and inspect the head gasket, things that are hard to diagnose at home. And that's everything you need to know about car overheating: what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more car care tips, and drop a comment below if you've ever had your engine overheat. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.